Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to get old Yahoo emails back. So first thing that we're going to check is our trash folder over here at the left sidebar. You want to click on trash and you want to check your trash folder because you might have accidentally deleted the email but you have not permanently removed it yet. But if it's not here in your trash, we're going to go back to inbox and then we're going to utilize the advanced search over here. So we can search emails by the keywords. So if we go here to the keyword, we can type in here some keywords that we know are related to the emails that we're trying to look for, and then Yahoo will automatically filter out all of the emails that has that keyword that you searched for. Or we can also use the date over here. So if you click on this, then click on custom date, you can change the date range based on when you remember that email was sent to you. If you don't remember when exactly that email was sent to you, you can also make a date range over here so that you can check all of the emails that was sent between those dates. And with date range, you can go back to the oldest of emails and hopefully you'll be able to find your old email there. So I hope this works and thanks for watching.